Alrighty, how's it going, guys? So I was carving some wood and I tried out my fire steel for the first time and I actually got it to work. So I'm going to try and do it again and I'm going to show you guys. I don't know what I'm doing.
Same.
My wife is here. So I'm going to take this, camerawoman, I'm going to hold it right here. And what I'm going to do is just toilet paper because it burns easy. There's wind! So I'm going to take this, put it like that. And I'm going to scrape off little chunks of happiness that start fires. Hopefully not ignite it and burn myself. We'll see. There, I got a little bit in there. I want a little bit more. Gently does it. Okay. Maybe see. Hold on.
Sorry.
Maybe see. I got a little bit in there. I'm not going to use a lot. And then I'm going to take the oldie fire steel. I'm going to get little chunks of wood like this. Little shavings. I was just doing some wood carving. And I'm going to put them on top and have us a good old-fashioned porch fire. No, I'm just kidding. Gotta have me a porch fire around here. Let's see. I'm just collecting more little shavings. And here we go. I've used it a little bit, you can see. And then there we go. Wow, look at that.
Wow.
Make sure that starts, ow, burning me.
It's fire.
Yeah, fire's hot sometimes.
Violet would say, ooh.
And I'm gonna try and keep this alive with my little pieces. So, the first thing was I put a little chunk on it so that it could catch fire, because I made 2 mistakes earlier without lighting those first. Ow. And then it didn't stay lit. So, and I blew on it too much before, and I blew the fire out.
Gently blow.
Can't say anything to that. That's wrong. Can't say that stuff on YouTube.
Oh, we'll get demonetized.
We're not even monetized. This is for free.
Oh. Sorry. Smoking.
And hopefully with the bed of, hello? The bed of shavings, it'll stay lit. I don't know. Try not to smother it. Little pieces at a time. And plus it helps me clean up my porch.
Yeah.
2 birds with the oldie, 1 stone. Uh-oh. My eyeball!
It's a smoky girl.
I have fire. You want to have a fire? Or should I just let it die out?
Let's just let it die.
Alright, well,
I'm not feeling it tonight.
there you go, guys. That's the fire. burning the camera.
Oh.
Alright guys, there you go. That's how to use a fire steel. Steel? Thanks so much.